In this lecture, we will examine the principles of handling difficult conversations and conflict resolution. Challenging discussions are inevitable in personal and professional settings. The ability to manage disagreements, negotiate solutions, and maintain composure is necessary for effective communication and relationship building. Objectives of the lecture. In this lecture, you will learn strategies for managing difficult conversations with professionalism, techniques for resolving conflicts and finding common ground, methods to stay composed and maintain productive dialogue, understanding difficult conversations. Difficult conversations arise when individuals have opposing viewpoints, strong emotions, or conflicting interests. These discussions may involve delivering bad news, addressing sensitive topics, or managing disagreements. Common challenges in difficult conversations. Emotional reactions that escalate tension. Miscommunication leading to misunderstandings. Fear of damaging relationships. Avoidance of necessary discussions. Dale Carnegie in The Art of Public Speaking states that effective communication is not about winning arguments, but about understanding and being understood. Approaching these conversations with clarity, respect, and empathy leads to more constructive outcomes. Techniques for managing difficult conversations. Difficult conversations require preparation, active listening, and emotional regulation. The following techniques help facilitate productive discussions. Prepare in advance. Identify the key issues and desired outcomes. Consider the other person's perspective. Plan a calm and constructive approach. Use active listening. Allow the other person to express their viewpoint fully. Acknowledge their concerns without immediate judgment. Reflect on key points before responding. Stay calm and professional. Control emotional responses to prevent escalation. Maintain a steady tone and avoid aggressive language. Focus on the issue, not personal attacks. Use neutral and constructive language. Replace accusatory statements with I statements, e.g., I feel concerned about this situation instead of, you always do this. Avoid blaming or making assumptions. Express concerns clearly while showing respect. Conflict resolution strategies. Conflict resolution is the process of addressing disputes and finding solutions that satisfy all parties. A structured approach reduces tension and improves collaboration. Key conflict resolution techniques. Identify the root cause. Determine what is driving the disagreement. Separate facts from emotions. Find common ground. Highlight shared goals or mutual interests. Focus on resolving the issue rather than proving a point. Negotiate and compromise. Be open to alternative solutions. Strive for a resolution that benefits all parties. Seek mediation if necessary. If conflicts persist, involve a neutral third party. Use mediation to facilitate dialogue and find an agreeable outcome. Maintaining composure in difficult situations. Remaining composed during challenging discussions enhances credibility and encourages productive outcomes. Strategies to stay composed include pause before responding. Taking a deep breath before speaking prevents reactive responses. Reframe negative thoughts. Focus on solutions rather than perceived conflicts. Practice self-awareness. Recognize emotional triggers and manage them effectively. Use empathy. Understanding the other person's perspective fosters cooperation and trust.